Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about in-app purchases. That means sometimes you have something inside your app and you need user to purchase that things for any reason, for like get coins for game or like you have subscription for people have to pay every month or whatever. So how you could use that in your Android application? I'm continuing my example that I already did it before. We already a great application and you upload it in the store in the previous video. So now I want to add in-app purchases inside this app. To do that, first of all, make sure you go to this one, like SDK manager, then SDK tool, and make sure you have Google Play Bowling library is have checked. If I'm sure it's not checked in your computer now, so make sure you check it, then click OK. I already checked it, so it will not appear with me. So yes, this is Google Play Services Bowling. After you done from this point, what you have to do, just go to File, then from File go to Project Structure to see where is the SDK. This is your SDK folder. Okay, now open the terminal and let me navigate to that folder. I say cd to that folder, then ls. Okay, I say open dot to go to that folder. So what I want you to do, just navigate to that folder, the SDK folder. Then go to the extra, then Google. You will see Play Bowling, because this is what we just added after a few seconds when we added that option. So now what you have to do, just click this one, and after I click it, this is what you have: samples and drive. And what we are looking for is not SRC. Yes, SRC is this one, and have some file in COM. We will use it. So to get started, first point, I now have this one. Now I want to add these files inside my application. So this is my application. If I click right, I click copy path, then I go back, I do some operation cd to that path, then I say open, or you could go directly to that path in any way you would like. So see, this is my new path, and this is my app path, and this is library path. First thing, I have number of files here. An example, Android, this one, util, this folder. Just copy this folder and go to your project, src, main, then java, com, the name of the package that you have it, be added beside your main activity here. Just add it. So you have to, now when you go here in the main, you see this folder, and this have number of files. If you see, I have this package. This package is I'm using in my project, but here if you see, he did not use that package. He used different package. So make sure you change it to your package, then the name of this one, util, because you need to say, hey, this file inside this package. So you just give it the package name. So yes, this is basically do same thing for all other files you just added in a few seconds, and file by file, all the files, just go up, just replace that package to the new package that you use it. Then this one also, and inventory, this one, and sorry, purchases, then not this one, purchases, just make sure I'm just doing the purchases, then say the security one, and also a SDK one. So yes, I just added purchases for everyone. So just making sure I just update them so they could work smoothly with my app. Now in this part I'm good. The second part, if you see, I have to add specific folder name. If you see in the GitHub, in this file that you have it for the in-app purchases, this one, in-app purchases in our project, you see you have to create idle, this folder. So just go here. This is my app, so just go back in the main. So what I have it here is the main. So in the main I have manifest and Java and resource. So here I just create a new folder, I just name it idle. And after you create this folder, if you go here, you will see this is the folder you have it. So just click right on it and click add package and name the package com.android.vendoring.bowling. Make sure you write it in the same name, com Android vendor bowling. click add, you'll see this is the package. If I go back to my code, I see idle have folder named com because I added com, then inside it Android, then inside Android vendor, then inside vendor bullying. Here I have to add specific file. If I go back to the folder that I have it already, I just created, or I just have it in my Google services, this one, 2 seconds. If you see in this one, if I go back here, then in the Android, vendoring, bullying, and this one, this file, I just copy it and add it inside this one. So make sure just copy it and add it this one. If I just go back, I just refresh it, see this is the file that I wanted. So now, okay, I added all the file that needed, so just make sure you do same or exactly what I did. Now all the file is added. If I just click refresh, my project have to load without having any error inside it.